Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video, you guessed it, is all about this hair right here, y'all. I had so much fun doing this because it was so easy. I'm gonna share with you today how you can achieve this beautiful cinnamon color and these curls, because no, the hair did not come this way. This is actually a kinky straight wig, y'all. So I'm gonna share with you how you can get this color in one step, super fast, super easy. You can apply this technique to your real hair or to your wigs. Y'all gonna thank me, because you're gonna be like, oh my God, oh my God. If you're interested in finding out how I achieve this look and how you can get this color in one step, honey, then keep watching. And if you're a new girl, hey, welcome to the tribe, but don't forget to hit subscribe to actually join the tribe. So this hair is from omgherhair.com. I always have amazing experiences with their hair, and this one is a 360 lace wig. So you see how much space it has in the front. It goes all the way around the back, so it's great for versatility, parting. Now it is a frontal situation, so you see how it has like the rows in the back. That means you're gonna get a lot more density. This one is 150% and is a kinky straight texture in 20 inches. I believe it's Brazilian. So even though the hair is super full, the hairline does already come pre-plucked, which makes your life super easy. But this video, we're not really gonna focus on the hairline, y'all, because as you saw in the beginning, we're gonna be doing a cute halo effect with curls cascading, and we're gonna focus on color in this video. So I started out by sectioning the hair off into two parts. Now, if you're new here or if you all have been here, ponytails and coloring are my thing. I love creating ponytails to do colors. So we're gonna create a pony that's gonna sit just towards the front of the head on both sides. So what happens when you place the ponytails closer to the front of the head is that the color is going to be closer to the roots in the front and further from the roots in the back. Now for our formula. We're gonna make a shampoo cocktail. What is a shampoo cocktail, you ask? Well, it's a mixture of bleach, developer, and shampoo, honey. So I mixed 1 scoop of bleach, 2 scoops of developer, and basically 1 scoop of shampoo. Now the shampoo goes into the formula. It does make the bleaching a little less harsh on your hair, as well as it allows the product to emulsify. So what that means is when it goes into your hair, you know how it kind of suds when you put shampoo in your hair? It kind of does the same thing, not to the same degree of sudding. You'll see when I apply it, but it makes it really easy to kind of move the product throughout the hair and get a really nice gradient effect. Now I'm going to take my formula and apply it to the ends and kind of emulsify it in that area first. Make sure it's really saturated and kind of move the product up towards the hair tie. Now it's totally up to you how high you want to go. I went about like mid shaft to the ends, but as you're doing this, you'll feel it like sudding. The product goes so much further. Like, to be honest, you could probably get away with using like half a scoop, like cutting the ratios in half, because it really just goes far because of the shampoo, as well as it is more gentle on your hair. So I did the same thing on both sides of the ponytail. I started with the ends, worked my way up to about mid shaft, and after that was done, it's only been like 5 minutes, y'all. I went in with a bit more product and worked my way up even a little bit closer to the hair tie. And here I'm just kind of working the product through, making sure that everything is nice and evenly saturated. And as you can see, after about 10 minutes, the color is already processing. This whole process of application is going to probably last you about 15 minutes. That's it. And you're going to be ready to rinse it out. So it's really super quick and easy, because we just want to break the base. We're not going for a super bright light color. We just want to expose those natural underlying pigments and embrace that like beautiful cinnamon warm tone. And that being said, you want to make sure you're using actual hair that is virgin hair, because you're not going to get the same pigments if the hair is not real, if it's not virgin. So I do like using OMG Her Hair to do something like this, because I know it's real. So this is the color after she's been washed out. She's not even air dried yet. She's still really damp. As you can see, it's so pretty. It's transitional. It's not too harsh. It looks like it's nice, like beachy hair that's been grown out. I love this vibe. And it was so easy to achieve, guys. So easy. This technique is also great if you're looking to break your base so that you can insert another color on top. So let's say you're doing a red. You don't want to insert a red just on top of your dark hair, because you're going to need to lighten it first. So this is a great way to quickly lighten your hair a bit, and then boom, throw that red color or whatever the color is on top. So now I'm going to give her a shape. We're going to cut it a little bit. Like I said, I want to do a halo shape. So we're going to take the front. Oh, look how the color just sits in different directions. Isn't that so cute? Okay, anyways. So I'm just going to cut the front a bit and give myself a little bit of layering in the front and kind of blend it into the sides. And I'm going with a bit of a heavier, slightly blunt front because I really want the front of the hair to be heavier. Like I'm not looking for like a wispy end, because when I curl it all, as you saw in the beginning, y'all, I really want like a heavy bang area. But I will say with this cut, you're not limited to that style. Like once you flop it over, you can see like it's got beautiful layering, it's transitional, it's got movement. You're not limited to that, but it will give you a bomb halo situation. So now I just blew her out entirely. This gives you guys a better idea of what the color is looking like. So as I explained before, the color is going to be a bit heavier in the front and it was lighter in the back. So on the ends in the back, you still have tons of roots and it just looks like this really pretty faded out color on the ends. Also, if you have time, I would just let it air dry because I do want to keep a lot of the volume in this so that when I do curl it, it has tons of volume. So as you can see, I'm not really even using the Denman brush to like smooth it out entirely because I really want to embrace like how full this hair is. So when I curl it, it's nice and big, honey. And for the curls, I'm using my trusty Cortex wand, y'all. I love this wand. I've had it for like maybe 5 years. It's like I think it's a 1/2 inch. I'll have something in the description box linking it, but it's honestly one of my favorite styling tools ever. It gets super hot, stays warm, evenly distributes the heat. It's like you're literally holding the hair on here for like not even 5 seconds. It's great. Time saver. And for the curls, I did everything in the same direction. So I went all the way around the head in the same direction, all the way to the top, so that I'd have like a nice, even pretty uniform curl that I could work with. Then to make sure all that hard work didn't go to waste, I completely let her cool before putting her on. Woo! Girl! I'm sorry guys, I know there's some that like this, but this is not for me. It's so perfect and polished. So if you're about that life, feel free to keep it this way, but no, not me. We're gonna open this joint out. You guys already know, like, when have you ever seen me in polished hair? I love me some tousled tresses. So that means I'm not gonna be super gentle right now. I'm gonna be medium gentle because I want it to look natural. Also guys, I used zero product to open up these curls. I really want to keep the hair super light, no grease, no nothing to weigh it down. We don't need any of that. The hair is good to go on its own. Oh girl. Ooh. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love that this hair is so full, y'all. It is so full. Like, and I love this because it's a simple one-step color, but you still have what? Dimension, y'all. Dimension. You know I'm obsessed with dimension. And I love that this is only gonna get cuter the staler it gets. So let me know, guys, are you feeling this style? Would you rock it? Comment below. Let me know. As well, let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. Alright guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe, y'all, to join the tribe, make it official. As well, if you found this video helpful, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Lets me know that you're feeling it. You know what I'm saying? Until next time, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste! Did I have sweat marks? No. In the clear.
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a thing.